Welcome to Module 1 of the course, and this module is all about branding. Before we get into the how to create your website aspect of the course, we're going to define your brand and create your brand aesthetic. Keep in mind as we move through this module, keep it simple and don't overthink it. So, in this module, you'll define your brand, create a brand board, design a simple logo, and create a favicon. In defining your brand, let's start with understanding the feel of it. This means consider what emotions your brand evokes and what mood defines your brand. It could all depend on what you do. If you're a health coach helping women overcome disordered eating patterns, you might opt for something more serious and steady. But if you're a life coach trying to help your target audience see the silver lining and embrace joy, you might go for whimsical and upbeat. A business coach might opt for professional and chic. Think about what you're selling and what your target audience is looking for when they come to your website. And again, don't think too hard about this. Brainstorm a few options and go with whatever feels right. Or if it just comes right to you, go with your gut. So, my favorite way to find inspiration is to turn to Pinterest to figure out what looks good color wise. The beautiful thing about this approach is that we don't have to dig around ourselves to match colors and try to make something look good. Pinterest is full of inspiration. So head to Pinterest and search for your inspiration. I recommend searching brand mood plus the words color palette and hex code. A hex code is the identifier for the color that you're going to use when you're creating your brand board. Brand materials and input into Wix so your site automatically populates with the right colors. Pause this video and do some research to find the color palette that you like best for your brand, and then let's move on to the next step.